Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can buy weapons on Schedule 1. So I like to go like this route here because it's safer and like you can only purchase it like late at night. Oh my god, I just fell down. It was dark, alright? Oh my god, what is my friend doing? Anyways, we go here to this area and we open the door. Okay, well, she opened it for me. Thank you very much. And to purchase a weapon, you're going to need some cash. So take out the cash using the ATM here, and then you're going to go to the weapon section. Talk to Stan, and then you can either select melee. I still don't know how to pronounce that. Range or ammo. For this one, you have a choice of baseball bat, frying pan, and a machete. Dear God, what is she doing? Oh no, what's going on? Well, you're going to buy weapons there, but there's also like other stuff, but I think somebody just fired some shots, so I have to go. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.